Understanding the different types of tomatoes will help you choose the best variety for your culinary needs. Roma tomatoes are commonly used in sauces, salsas, and dips, but their low moisture and firm structure make them a great option for topping sandwiches, wraps, and burgers. Heirloom tomatoes' hearty flavor makes them perfect for cooked sauces and soups, but can also be served fresh on salads and sandwiches. Sourced from Italy and due to their savory taste, San Marzano tomatoes are best used in sauces and purees. Their firm texture also helps them hold up in soups. Cherry tomatoes add a burst of freshness to salads, salsas, and sauces. They work well in pasta dishes, appetizers, or bruschetta. Green tomatoes are a popular choice for pickling and frying, especially in Southern cuisine. Grape tomatoes have a bold, sweet flavor, adding a burst of freshness to bruschetta, caprese, and salads. Available in many varieties, cocktail tomatoes make delicious sauces, marinades, and dressings, but also give salads and charcuterie boards a pop of color. Weighing up to 2 pounds, beefsteak tomatoes add a fresh touch to sandwiches, salads, and burgers. They hold up well when grilled, roasted, or sautéed. Now you know the perfect tomato for every dish.